Today, I interviewed Miss Yang, the manager of clothing store, to understand her leadership behaviors and decision-making process.
经理你好，我是莫纳什大学的一名学生。
The store manager interviewed has several years of experience in the retail fashion industry, where they oversee daily store operations and lead a team of about 6 to 12 staff members. Their responsibilities include managing sales performance, coordinating visual merchandising, training new employees, and ensuring high-quality customer service. They also analyze sales data to adjust product displays and inventory levels, helping the store meet its monthly targets. With strong communication skills and a solid understanding of fashion trends, this manager is able to motivate the team, maintain smooth store operations, and deliver a consistently positive shopping experience for customers.
我习惯加入大家的讨论，听取不同的观点，并给予我的看法。
This reflects co-creating goals behavior in the participated leadership. To motivate the team, she practices participative leadership. Instead of dictating goals, she facilitates team discussions to set collective weekly targets. She ensures everyone contributes ideas on strategies, such as visual merchandising or client outreach, fostering a strong sense of ownership and shared purpose.
我觉得员工的心理健康比任务更重要。
This reflects employee well-being focused behavior in the human relation leader. When resolving conflicts, she adopts a relational leadership style. Her process begins with private, empathetic one-on-one conversations to understand each individual's perspective. She then acts as a mediator, bringing the parties together to collaboratively find a solution, guiding them to refocus on their common mission of exceptional client service. For providing feedback, she effectively blends both styles, making it a continuous dialogue. She often starts by asking the team member for their self-assessment. Based on that, she offers specific, actionable, and personalized observations, connecting individual contributions directly to the team's success. For information, she starts with the numbers from sales and inventory reports, but she says the real insight comes from her team. Through daily chats and meetings, staff share what customers are actually saying and what they see on the floor. The manager also spends time talking to customers herself. To evaluate choices, like picking new seasonal items, she holds team meetings. She presents the data, and then they discuss each option. They look at cost, if it fits the store's style, and if customers will like it. For very big decisions, they might test an idea on a small scale first to see the reaction. On who decides, she uses a clear but inclusive method. Her assistant manager and key staff help make all major plans. The whole team is involved in decisions about daily store work. For the biggest financial choices, she gets approval from her district manager, while she has the final say. Involving her team from the start builds stronger agreement and leads to better results for the store.
我偏向于根据问题寻找证据，并进行评估，整合信息后再做决策。
This shows she follows the evidence-based decision-making.
我觉得您需要不断维系你们的团队关系，并充分滋养它。
Protect and nourish your team's why. You already excel at involving your team in the what and the how, the decisions and the processes. The natural next step is to consistently connect this work to the deeper purpose, the why. Regularly share not just what the store's goals are, but why they matter, how a new connection supports the brand's identity, or how flawless customer service builds a community, not just sales. This advice fits your style perfectly. Your participative leadership creates ownership. Knowing the why transforms that ownership from responsibility into genuine passion and pride. Your relational leadership builds trust and connection. Sharing the why shows you see your team not just as employees, but as partners in a shared mission. It elevates daily tasks into meaningful contributions, fueling motivation and alignment from within. In short, giving context to collaboration turns a good team into a truly purpose-driven one. After listening to the manager's sharing, I realized that I have been overlooking the importance of emotional management all this time. For example, when working on team projects, I often only focused on tasks and neglected the pressure of team members, which led to poor communication. Therefore, I agree with this point she emphasizes. From the manager's words, I learned that in the future, when managing a team, I should be more proactive in observing the emotions of team members and adjust my communication style when they are under great pressure. To sum up, I think she demonstrates best practices in participative leadership and human relational leader, and I learn a lot from this communication. This manager leads with a participative and relational style. She blends data with team insights in decisions and builds trust through open communication. As a result, her team feels ownership, stays motivated, and works toward a shared purpose. Thank you for watching.